How to change Temu password. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change Temu password. For this, you want to open up the Temu app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download this. Now, make sure to sign into your account. Tap on the U option at the bottom of your screen. Once you get here, tap on Settings at the top right corner. Now tap on account security. Here you will have different information. You want to look out for the password option. Now tap on the edit option. Once you do, on this box you will have to enter your old password. So go ahead and enter that. Once you have entered the old password, now you want to create a new password. Once you have entered the new password, tap on the submit option. Now, it might ask you to verify your identity. Once the verification is completed, your password will be successfully changed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.